Hi, I'm a student from high school Math 3. My name is Beer, and I'm going to talk about my big project, which is selling a product called omelette on rice, which is a kind of a food that you mostly eat. So, my product is omelette on rice, and my target market is mostly high school students in Neva International School. And my goals are to find the best price that could give me the maximum income and to apply the standard that I learned into this project. And my another goal is to find the best price that could give me the best profit in selling this product. So my limitations or the errors that I could get is that I don't if I don't have the starting money to buy the materials, then I couldn't sell the product. That could have led me to not being able to get profit, or my product is not attractive enough for the consumer to buy. And also, not everyone is my target market. Therefore, I have to find the right time to sell my product in order to have the maximum number of people to buy. My second thing is methods. My method is first is doing a data collection, which I have sampled people of 17 people in high school students, and the samples here represent 130 people in the school. Then I put the information that I get into an instrument called GeoGebra Desmos to create a function and a graph for me. Now, my next step is to find the statistic of the information. But first, I have to find the probability of the number of the demand over by total people, and then after that I would put the information in GeoGebra to create a scatter plot. After that, GeoGebra would create a function for me, as I would use a function to create the income function and operating cost as well as profit function. So yes, my result is the price of 15 baht is a probability of 100%, which means 130 people would buy, and the price of 20 is 94%, which means 122% people would buy, and 25 baht is 88%, which is 114 people, and 30 baht is 64%, so 83 is going to buy my product, and 35 is 29%, which is 38 people will buy, and 40 baht is just 11%, and 14 people would buy my product. Therefore, my demand function is y equal negative 4.93x plus 219.11. So the graph would become a linear of a negative linear. And my next phase is to create an operating cost function. So my operating cost function can be created by fixed cost plus variable cost. Now, a fixed cost is a cost that is fixed and cannot be changed, such as a cost of renting a place or a cost of a material. While fixed costs, while variable costs can change either up or down, such as a cost of how much you can sell the product or the cost of producing a product. In this case, I'm selling omelette on rice of 15 baht, therefore my variable cost is 10 baht. So I can write my function as operating cost equal fixed cost plus variable cost, and my fixed cost is 400 baht. So which I'm going to write as negative 49.3x plus 2191.1 plus 400, which is operating cost equal negative 49.3x plus 2591.1. So that is my operating cost, which I get from my variable cost plus fixed cost. And then I would create my income function, which is the price times a number of products I sold or sell. And here my product that I sold would represent the demand function, and price would represent as x. Therefore, income would equal x times negative 4.93x plus 219.11, which is negative 4.93x squared plus 219.11x, which I would put my graph into the smalls to create a graph, which is a hue here. And then I would create my profit function, which is profit equal income minus operating cost. Since I have my income and operating cost function, I can easily create my profit function. So my profit function would equal P equals negative 4.93x squared plus 268.41x minus 2591.1. So that's my profit function. And as you can see in the discussion area or discussion part, I have the feasible area, which is a area that I can get profit from the income. And so my maximum point is 22.222. So my best price that I can get the maximum income is 22 baht, and my minimum point of the graph is 12 and 41. So I would get the maximum income at the price of 22 baht. But to get the best profit, I would suggest a price of 27 baht, since I would get 46% of the income as a profit. So to conclude everything that I had is I did everything. So I did collecting the data and finding even the cost and operating cost, income function and profit function. Then I would put everything into GeoGebra and Desmos to create a graph and a function to find my best price for maximum income and best price for the maximum profit. And in this case, my best price for maximum income would be 22 baht, and my best price for giving me the highest profit is 27, because it could give me 46% of the income as a profit, as you can see in the conclusion area. And since I have to use every standard that I learned in here, I would use like mostly all of them, because I have to interpret the words into a function, and I would have to use my standard knowledge on the knowledge of standards that I have learned to create a function, which is the standard that we learned in NIVA in the medical school. So, and my reference is just Desmos and GeoGebra. And finally, so this is everything that I have for my big project. And thank you.